What's up, guys? Today I'm here in Green Bay, Wisconsin at the Green Bay Yacht Club, here with Robert McGraw and Amity.
Robert handed me his key and my phone, and I wasn't paying attention. And he said, "Don't drop my car key." And then literally, probably
Challenge
5
accepted.
seconds later, I dropped it.
You were right up here, and it just went straight down there, huh? The key is black and silver. Put that on there. Got it there? Nice! There you go, bud. There you go. That was quick.
Oh, that was really cool.
I think I scanned across it once, like right away when I went down there. I could actually see down there a little bit. Yeah. What did that take? A minute?
That didn't take long.
Successful recovery. It's a Maserati, you said, yeah?
Maserati, yeah.
And next time he tells you not to drop something, don't accept the challenge. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Glad I could help you out. Now those are the kind of recoveries that I really like. And he's got a Porsche. That's pretty sweet.